My ideal day on King Island.
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 Get up early when it's still dark.
Have a nice coffee, watching the sunrise,
Watching the sunrise.
starting with an ocean swim,
Throw my running shoes on.
going for a kayak, go for a walk on the beach.
Taking my foraging bag along the foreshore. Probably go for a fish down at British Admiral.
Catch a lobster, which we haven't succeeded at yet.
Watching my husband catch fish
Get a few crayfish, abalone.
Playing at the local golfie.
and really taking in the surroundings.
Just basking in the beautiful King Island sun.
Sometimes, like yesterday, I went for a boogie board
And I always try and do something a little bit creative.
and then I put a paintbrush in my hand.
Probably coming to the boathouse or a fire at home.
Having a barbie on the beach.
Barbecue somewhere, beach or bush, doesn't matter.
Cooking up some King Island steaks
They have amazing steak.
and having a bit of King Island cheese with some red or white.
And have some little gin benches somewhere along the line.
Get at home at the end and just put my feet up and relax.
Living the dream on King Island.